What if rain never stopped on Earth?
Rain gives life. It feeds rivers, crops, and ecosystems. But rain only works because it stops. So what happens if it never does?
Within hours, rivers would overflow. Cities near water would flood almost immediately. Drainage systems would fail completely.
The oceans would begin to reclaim the land. Earth would slowly transform into a water world.
Farming would collapse.
No crops means no food.
Billions would struggle to survive. Storms would never end. Sunlight would disappear. Global temperatures would fall.
Entire ecosystems would collapse.
Fresh rainwater would disrupt ocean balance.
Marine life would begin to die. Technology depends on stable weather. Civilization would slowly fade.
But this never happens.
Because Earth has a perfectly balanced water cycle.
Rain falls. Exactly when needed. This balance keeps life possible.
In Islam, rain is described as mercy.
Allah sends rain in perfect measure. Not too much, not too little. This balance is not accidental. It is designed with wisdom. A reminder that all creation belongs to Allah.